It is really disgusting, the pattern of killing at Baisaran near Pahalgam in Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir, which was carried out by the terrorists on 22nd April 2005, which has been condemned by the international community, which shows zero tolerance towards terrorism. After this attack, India has taken a very strong stance, and our Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi, when he was on Bihar visit within 48 hours after this incident, what he said from the soil of the Bihar, that I would like to quote before you. Prime Minister of India said, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. India's resolve is unshakable to fight the terrorism, and India will pursue them to the end of the earth. India will pursue them to the end of the earth. India's spirit will not be broken by the terrorism, and terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure justice is done. Entire nation is firm in this resolve, what the Prime Minister has said. Even after the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting, the Prime Minister of India has said that I would like to quote before you. India is determined to deliver a crushing blow to the terrorism. Even at one point of time, Prime Minister has said, समय सीमित है, लक्ष्य बड़े है. These all, opinion given by the Prime Minister of a country, which signals the likelihood of very strong retaliatory action against Pakistan in days to come. Therefore, literally, the Pakistani people are scurrying to go out of the country, and even Pakistan is pleading before the international community for a fair probe into the incident. Even it is moving its terrorists and their backers to the safe places in the bunkers, and it is mobilizing its army to the borders. And therefore, these all developments indicate a very strong and massive action by India in days to come. Just wait. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Nata.